On this channel, we're all about looking good, looking fabulous, and looking the best version of ourselves every day. And guys, I'm always spilling the tea and always willing to help my fellow dolls look as glam as possible. Been following me on this channel for a while now, you will know that the next item I'm about to talk about it's just very special to me. So the next item we're going to talk about is the blazer, guys. Blazers, guys. Blazers are just beautiful, guys. Blazers are beautiful, guys. They are such style elevators. They are so stylish, so I don't even know how to express it, but every woman should have at least one stylish, beautiful blazer. And it is one of those times that I will advise you to invest just a little bit into your fashion items, guys. Blazers are so much fun, and I'm not even going to start telling you to get them in neutral colors or boring colors, guys. Everything else can be neutral, but for blazers, in my opinion, I love them in every color imaginable. I am actually on a challenge to get myself every color blazers can come in, every blazers are just beautiful. Blazers are beautiful, and the things I look for when choosing my blazer is the fabric. The fabric has to be right, guys. It has to be rich and right. I don't know if you can really see this one, guys. I've had this blazer for almost 2-3 years now, and I've worn it with everything imaginable: dresses, shorts, shirts, t-shirts, skirts, jeans, everything. And this blazer just looks on point. I wear it with everything. I don't even care if people tell me, oh, why are you always repeating clothes? As you can tell, that's my favorite blazer, but I do have it in many other colors. The second thing, aside from the fabric, the rich fabric of blazers that I look for, is double-breasted, guys. I don't know why, I do love double-breasted blazers. I think they're kind of extra stylish as compared to your normal button down blazers, guys. Double-breasted blazers are bae for me. So quickly, let me talk about the best places to get blazers, guys. You already know what I'm going to say. Zara is my best place to shop blazers, guys. Every season they just bring in a beautiful blazer style. You can just never go wrong with Zara blazers. Yes, they're a bit expensive, but my advice is wait till it is sale season. Keep your coins, all right, somewhere, and when it is sale season, do not wait for further reduction. Grab the first blazer that suits you, and you're just good to go. Another place that has nice blazers is also Stradivarius. Stradivarius has there was one time I bought a blazer, a nice green blazer. This blazer I think I bought it for 69 reals, guys. I did not even think twice. I grabbed it immediately, and it was a double-breasted, guys. It was a win-win. So yes, try Zara, try Stradivarius for beautiful blazers. Also, once in a while, I find some nice pieces from H&M, and also yes, River Island has beautiful blazers too. So yes, you want to try Zara, you want to try Stradivarius, River Island, H&M, and Topshop. Those are my go-to places when shopping for blazers. Now let's talk about the jacket. All right, so the leather jacket, guys. You definitely want to invest in a nice, clean leather jacket, guys. I've had this leather jacket for 5 years. A friend actually gifted it to me. I don't know if she's watching right now, Sister Jibola, my very good friend. She bought me this jacket 4 years ago, and this is the only leather jacket I have, and I so treasure it, guys. Leather jackets are bae. They are stylish. They just show the world that you're extra chic and you're confident, and there's just something really extra about leather jackets, guys, you want to invest in a nice leather jacket. Guys, I've been trying very hard to look for another leather jacket to replace this one, even though it still looks very fabulous. Yes, that's another thing about leather jackets. They last years and years and years as long as you invest in a very good one. So I've been looking for, you know, another one, but I just haven't found the right one. And maybe because there's so much love attached to this particular blazer, it's been so hard to replace it. So yes, every woman, in my opinion, should have a nice leather jacket. Leather jackets also come very handy, especially for layering during winter. And yes, you can also wear leather jackets in the summer. Don't let anything stop you, okay? The final, last, basic clothing. I'm still going to get to accessories. We're going into the basic clothing item you need in your wardrobe. Every woman, and it's on a period, needs a little black dress, guys. A little black dress is a must-have in your wardrobe, guys. I got this one from Zara. It's simple. It's with an exaggerated sleeve, just a little exaggerated sleeve, and it has a slit right in front. Guys, there is no rule for, in my opinion, there's no rule for a little black dress other than this one. Just make sure that you get a nice little black dress that sits on you beautifully. Yes, guys, my best place to shop black dresses is everywhere and anywhere. As long as it looks good, it's mine. There are so many options for little black dresses, so it's this time around, it just boils down on your personal preference. Black dresses are simple to style, and you know, you just throw it on and you look fabulous. It's a classic piece in your wardrobe that you need every time and anytime. Sunglasses is one thing you will never find me without. In winter, in summer, I am always wearing my sunglasses. I'll also tell you another reason why I wear sunglasses all the time. Sunglasses help me hide the dark circles around my eyes, because I don't wear makeup all the time, and I just like to hide, you know, the fact that I'm not wearing makeup and I have dark circles. So yes, sunglasses all makes me look cool and doesn't let you know that I'm not wearing makeup. You know, you just see what's on the outside. You don't really know what's going on there, all right? So yes, another thing I like about sunglasses is that it helps me hide the aging signs around my face. Yes, I hide behind my sunglasses. So all you see is a cool, collected woman, but you don't know that, you know, she's not as young as she looks. Yeah, so yes, I think every woman of all age should have a nice pair of sunglasses in her collection. Sunglasses is one item that you can find anywhere and everywhere. Yes, you can go for a designer. I think this one is from Dior, Christian Dior, but you can also find very cheap ones. I actually like the cheap ones better, because when I lose them, I don't have to worry, okay? I like to shop for cheap sunglasses at Aldo. Aldo is my best place to shop for cheap sunglasses. So yeah, Aldo. I also like to sometimes shop from Zara, from the men collection. They have nice sunglasses there also. So I also like to shop cheap sunglasses from Shein. Those ones are usually more trendy, more stylish, colorful, you know, just they have a little bit of something extra going on. So yes, you want to try Zara, you want to try Aldo, H&M for cheap sunglasses. But the overall thing that I would tell you when choosing your sunglass is how it fits. How does it look? I also like to pick them according to their colors. So my favorite shade, my favorite color for sunglasses are brown. Brown kind of suits my tone, and you know, and all. But however, this one is a brown and gold. This one is a bit of silver. I just decided to try something different when it comes to color. This one is a blue and white, and it does look beautiful. So yes, you want to check out the color and how it matches on you, and you also want to check out the shape and how well it looks on you, how well it sits on your face when you wear it. So yeah, that's it for sunglasses. Definitely get nice sunglasses in your collection. Even though I wear heels most of the time, guys, I do have a nice pair of white sneakers, and I think every woman should have a nice looking white sneakers in their collection. So guys, I have these very heavy ones and this very flat ones that I do like to wear, like, because they're so comfortable, guys. It's not every time I wear heels, and sometimes I just want something more relaxed, something more casual, and something very comfortable. So yes, you do want to have white sneakers. And I keep saying white because white is so versatile. You can pair it with any other color and you still look, you know, in sync. And white also is, there's just something classic about white fashion items or fashion colors. So yes, you do need white sneakers in your basic wardrobe. So the best places I would advise you to go shopping for white sneakers is, I mean, there are a number of places you can try. Nike, you can try Adidas. I mean, it depends on how much you want to spend. I also like to shop for sneakers from Zara. I am a big foot, so I usually go to the men's section when shopping for white sneakers. They usually have more comfortable and stylish looking ones as opposed to the heavy ones you find in the women's section from Zara. You should also try Stradivarius. I mean, it's either of the two for me. It's either Zara or Stradivarius, or even sometimes Bershka. Bershka is also owned by the owner of Zara, if you don't know that already. So yes, Zara, Bershka, Stradivarius, H&M, River Island, Adidas or Nike, and there are a number of other shops, but these ones are my go-to places when shopping for white sneakers. The next item I want to talk about is the black shoe, guys. Black shoes, heeled shoes, okay? And it doesn't matter if it's this kind of stiletto heels or block heels or sandals. All that is important right here is black, like the color black shoes. Guys, the reason is only because black is so versatile with any clothing item, just like a white t-shirt or a white shirt. Guys, you want to have a black shoe in your collection because it goes with everything. It goes with everything. For some weird reason, black has been eluding me. I only stumbled upon this during my Christmas shopping at a very, you know, weird store called Migato that I've never heard of. I was just walking by and I saw black and I'm like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna grab this one. And it's super comfortable for me. It's, you know, it's easy to wear for me, yes, but I mean, the bottom line here is you need a black shoe in your basic wardrobe collection. Okay people, I hope that you really enjoyed this video. I really did put much time and effort and thinking into this video, guys. So those are my go-to essentials. Those are my go-to basic for a very fashionable, clean and stylish wardrobe, and I hope that you really agree with me. Well, if you don't agree, that's all right too. If there's anything you feel that I left out in the essentials that every woman should have, please do leave it in the comment section below. I am always listening, I'm always learning. I do not believe that knowledge is, you know, limited to one place, so I'm always learning also, and I mean, we're always learning from each other. Yes, so that is it for basic essential wardrobe. Next week we're going to be talking about makeup. If you don't already know, I'm a makeup artist and I do know quite a bit about makeup. You can check my work out at Total Glam _ again at Total Glam _ on Instagram. You can see some of my work, so you can know for sure that I do know what I am talking about when it comes to makeup. So next week I'm going to be talking in depth about the basic and essential things you need for a full makeup look without spending too much or buying unnecessary items, and I'm going to be talking about how to use them properly. So next week you definitely want to look out for, you know, for that video if you are a makeup lover like me. So yes, thank you once again for joining me on this channel, and if you're new, please do subscribe. I do need your love, I need your support on this channel to help me grow and, you know, achieve my dreams. So yes, thank you for joining me once again, everybody. To my old and returning subscribers, thank you, I love you as always, and to my new, thank you also. I'll see you next week. As always, I love you. Bye.